How to clean Keds. Keds are comfortable and stylish, but if worn for a long time, the canvas can become dirty and stain. Keds should not be put in the washing machine, but fortunately, cleaning Keds by hand is a fairly simple process. You can either use a baking soda paste to remove dirt, or you can wash them with water and a detergent. If your Keds are very dirty, you can use both methods for a deep clean. There are even some special techniques you can try to get rid of specific stains. Removing dirt with baking soda paste. Remove laces and inserts. Before you clean your Keds, you should take out both the laces and any inserts inside of the shoe. The laces can be cleaned in the washing machine, by hand in the sink, or simply replaced. You should set aside the inserts until you are finished cleaning. If they are smelly or dirty, you may want to replace them. wh.performance.mark Step 1_rendered. Brush off loose dirt. Use a toothbrush or scrub brush, and gently work your way around the shoe to remove loose dirt before you begin cleaning. You may also tap together your shoes to help knock off dust. This will make your job easier when cleaning. Make a paste. You will need a cup of water, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Mix these together in a bowl until they form a paste. Scrub with a toothbrush. Using a toothbrush, apply the paste to the shoes. Scrub thoroughly to dislodge dirt. Work your way around the entire shoe. You can use the paste on both the soles and the canvas. Do not use the toothbrush again after cleaning your Keds with it. Rinse. Use cold or lukewarm water to rinse the paste off of the shoes. Let them dry for 24 hours. Stuff the insides with newspaper, and set them in a dry area away from direct heat. You can let them dry in the sun if you would like. If your Keds are still dirty, try washing them in the sink after this step. Stuffing the shoes while they dry allows them to keep their shape.